Hi everyone, let's compare functional approaches to blanket purchase agreement updates. We'll evaluate VBCS, FBDI and More4apps. Starting with VBCS, you download the BPA, you copy lines to a sheet, update data, upload the header sheet, modify header data, then upload. You populate the import sheet, execute the import, review job details, and open a report to check for errors. That's a lot of steps. FBDI follows a very similar approach, but an even longer process. You recreate the BPA manually, copy lines, update headers, link the different worksheets, run the ESS job, execute the import, and like VBCS, errors only show in the report, which means you have to manually reconcile back to Excel. Now let's take a look at More4apps. It's much simpler. Download the BPA, edit, upload, submit the ESS job, and press refresh, and see the results directly in the worksheet. Let's compare 12 process steps cut to 5. User interaction, FBDI and VBCS require far more clicks and tools. More4apps works entirely within the one worksheet. When it comes to execution times, FBDI 7 minutes 44, VBCS 3 minutes and 42 seconds, More4apps 1 minute and 3 seconds. If an error occurs, FBDI and VBCS drag out even longer. More4apps stays efficient. Clear to see why end users prefer More4apps for their BPA management.